All right, welcome to week 3 again. Now I'm going to symbol script based on Perl and Python. And first one I do VI, right? So I believe, let me try. I think I'll do VI with Perl and I do nano with Python. Is that all right for you? So one shot, the same thing, yeah? So now I do VI with Perl as I said already. Now, um, first I have a couple of script here for you. I'm got VI with Perl, right? I'm go which one look nice? Which one is short and simple? Okay, I'm go for this one as a simple one, right? And then you can copy from here. I do the example number 5 because that's something to do with the remain number. Okay, first the environment had to be Linux is up and run, and then a remote control. Okay, remote control. So I don't want to mess up my folder, so I make the new folder called mkdir with number 3, enter. Okay, cd inside that folder. Now I'm inside there, and then vi, what is it? Sample file.pl. Okay, sample file.pl. The name you type by yourself, and then I have I for insert. There you go, I for insert. And I'm going to the text mode here, copy that, copy them, and then go in here. What you got to do? Right click on that. There we go. So done. My script is done. So if it's got issue, I'll tell you later. So the script is done. All you got to do is escape them, escape, and then shift semicolon W, and then Q. See that? Enter. So I have the script already. So now I'm going to run. How to run a script? Okay. First I do example. I do sample file.pl, and then I know it's not going to run, right? But I just show you that. Even I'm logged into as me. I'm logged in as super user, right? Who am I? But they won't let me go because there is no executable. Okay? You can run without that. You can run this one. You can call them as sample file if you want to. Yes, it run. 2, 5. The answer is 3. Okay? But I don't want to run that way. I want to run another way. C has charmed them, and you know what is C has charmed. You don't do main command. So I add the option X plus X for executable sample 5. Now the color change. All right, the color change. Now you have executable for everyone. Okay, of course that's not recommended, but this is just a sample first example on week 3. So now I do there sample 5. So input number 1 I do minus okay 8, and the second number will be 5. The result will be 3, right? The result will be 3. That's how my modulus. It's just example, and you know the algorithm already. So example minus input minus 3. The second number is 5, so the answer will be 3. 2. Okay. So if you want to fix them, you can go back to nano and then sample 5 and then have a look again. So that is a mode. See that mode. Modulus. Showing the remain number. Okay. So this example, that how I do in a simple way. Okay. So that VI and Perl. Now I do next symbol will be Python and what? Python and nano, right? So I pick any nano there. So I just hopefully it works. Get out there now. VI. Did I do VI before? Oh, I do VI before, but I jumped to nano. Okay, now I do nano with Python. Nano, and then Python. Have a look with sample. A very basic one, right? I just do a basic one. I can't do a bigger one. Copy that basic. I'm on week number 7, right? I'm in sample 7. Go back to Linux nano sample 7.py. You don't have to do doc anything in Linux, but just for your recognition, okay, and make things easier in the future. Py. So what do I do? Right click or control C, control V. Right click. So that I have Python. Remember, the first line here that might end up to your exam later. The question might asking you in scripting per a Python, what is the first line called? Is that a compiler? Is that a converter? Is that a interpreter? So they give you 3, 4 options. So your answer will be interpreter. Thank you. It's not a compiler. So now I'm finished, right? Control O, enter the exit. And the same thing, you want to run this, right? You can do Python, and then sample 7, enter. Welcome to my script. But if you don't want to run that, you don't want to put a program in the front, a compiler in the front, you can do chmod plus X for sample 7, and now the color will be changed to executable. All right, now all you got to do is /sample 7, enter. .py. So that is my script, simple script. Remember, I gave you the multiple choice question before already. Yeah. What is the first lines in bash per a Python shell script? So your answer is not compiler, nor the program. It is the interpreter. Okay. So that's it for me. Simple. How to copy and paste, put in the party, run them, change permission, and run them without permission on troubleshooting that you have already. I do a simple troubleshooting in Perl before I cut off this session, right? I do nano and then sample 5. Oops, not that. And now I input example. I do enter. I make a space, yeah, a space on the top of that line. Then I run, see what happens. Run them. Sample 5. There we go. Oops. See that what happened? All I done, I just make a space on the top of that line, and that's what I got. All right. So you know what it is. Don't just panic. Oh, my script is bad. I can't do this. I'm hopeless. No, you're not doing anything. You just type it wrong. So on the very first line, there is nothing on the top, right? Are you follow me? Okay. Now what if I put hash, right, and then testing. You can do both. Okay, I put something on the top line still. So on the very top line, please make it nothing. Okay. Run them again. Well done. 5, 4. The answer will be 1. Okay. And now another troubleshooting. What is it? Python, right? Oh, this is Python, people. How come it's end up to here? All right, let me go Perl. All right, where's Perl? Any symbol for Perl? Okay, it's a Perl, right? Then I replace that. No worry. Sample 5. Delete them, right? Control K. All right, have a look. Control K. I do Control K. And then right click there. Now I have Perl. Easy. Yeah, that's a Perl. Oh, so far you are not telling me. Thank you. So that's it here. I explain for you. Print that line out, standard input, yeah? And that is the variable, okay? And chom, you find out what chom in Perl later. And the second one, top the user input, the second number. Let me delete this line to make less confused for you. Type the user input. Type user type input. User input. That's fine. Okay, let me just clear them out. So the second number, we print that on the screen. Input number 2, chop them, find out what it is, and then get the number 1, divide number 2, and get the remaining number. And then that's how it show out. And n/n is a new line, yeah? That's how you do in Perl. Save them, and then again, I run them, right? Number 1 is 6, number 2 is 4, the answer will be 2. There we go. That's in Perl. Again, I do troubleshooting again. I make some line in the front. Okay? I make a blank line. There's trouble coming. And now I delete them. I deliberately delete that semicolon. See what happened, right? Would that run? There, it's not going to run. They said the line number 3, there is a trouble. Missing semicolon. They're telling you what it is, right? So don't just jump around. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, above the number 3, there we go. That's the line. Put semicolon there. Is all right? And save. 7, 6, answer 1. Beautiful. That's it for me. Script for Perl and Nano. I mean Perl and Basic, Nano and PI there, whatever. All right, so best of luck. So next capture will be going into additional script. So I might leave it there for you, right? Additional script. You may copy all of this line there and play around with that and have a look how the Perl number 1, 2, 3, enter and read them. Read them what it is, right? And a couple one for Perl there. So in the next video I'm going to do is I'm going to write a simple script to print the date, okay? And send that date into a file and make them run every 3 minutes. Because if you do at home, then you might capture, like if you do in the actual job, you might do the job that every 10 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday, right? Not Saturday and Sunday. That one, the script I'm going to write using Perl or Python. I don't know. Let me find out. All right. Best of luck for this, and we see you next capture. Bye for now.